Hi guys, welcome to my first botany video. Today we are going to be talking about the rose, specifically the hybrid tea rose. Now, this rose is the most used species of rose. There are tons of varieties of it. The one I drew is a red rose, as red is the most common color of roses. Most roses are deciduous, which means they lose their leaves in winter and regain them in the spring. Some roses are evergreens, which means they don't do that. But the thing that roses are most known for is being a gift that dudes give to their ladies. They are also sung about in poems, most notably being roses are red, violets are blue. If you didn't know that, you're probably colorblind. But violets are actually purple? One of the things roses are most known for is their scent. Through microscopic perfume glands underneath their petals, they release the scent. It is most fragrant in the morning, right before sunrise, which is why when it is harvested at night. It requires 2,000 flower heads to make just 1 gram of rose oil. And most roses have anywhere from 5 to 4 petals. Now, that is quite a lot of roses just for perfume. Now, there's this really cool thing called rose water that's a byproduct of the rose oil making process. This rose water is mostly used for culinary uses. It is most notably in dishes like Turkish Delight. Ever heard of that? I know I have. I've read Narnia. One of the flavors of Turkish Delight is rose, of which rose water is used for. Another part of the rose is called the hip. This is a fruit the rose produces after being pollinated. The hip is mostly used for tea. If you've ever had rose tea, you would know the sweet herbal scent that is, the hip being turned into tea. Roses are also used for medicinal purposes, of which they are mostly used for their anti-inflammatory properties. If you guys want to know what roses to get for food, make sure you get the correct ones, as some varieties are bred just for looks. And if you want to get your girl a rose, well, you should probably ask her what her favorite color is. And if it's blue, then don't get her roses. And I probably wouldn't get her violets either, because they aren't actually blue. One final tidbit of information for you. Thorns on roses aren't actually thorns, but rather prickles. They are hook-shaped and used by the plant to hang on to other vegetation while they grow. I hope you enjoyed learning about roses with me. If you enjoy botany as much as I do, you can watch more of my videos, or you can learn about it yourself. If you guys have any plants that you want me to talk about, put them in the comments down below and I might get to them. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a good day.